Welcome to the exploration of one of nature's most yet underappreciated wonders, grass. While often seen as nothing more than the green carpet beneath our feet, grass plays a vital role in ecosystems around the world. As its core, grass is a diverse and resilient plant family with thousands of species adapted to various climates and environments, from the sprawling plains of the savannah to the manicured lawns of suburban neighbors. Grass thrives in a multitude of settings. But what makes grass truly remarkable is its ability to regenerate and adapt. While its shallow root system and rapid growth rate, grass can quickly recover from disturbances such as grazing or mowing, making it an essential component to many ecosystems. In natural settings, grasslands provide crucial habitat for a wide range of wildlife, from grazing mammals to ground nesting birds. The dense root systems of grasses help prevent soil erosion and promote water infiltration, making them essential for soil health and water conservation.